How to fix WhatsApp connecting loop. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the WhatsApp connecting loop. If you want to fix the WhatsApp connecting loop on your iPhone, here are a few quick solutions. First, open the control center. Press and hold the Wi-Fi icon to see your available networks. Make sure you are connected to a strong and stable network switch if needed. Next, go to the Settings app. Scroll down to General, then tap on iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, locate and tap on WhatsApp. Here, you can choose to offload the app. This removes the app while keeping your data safe. After that, reinstall it. Another fix is to check if you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. Just open the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and hit Update if an update is available. Finally, if the issue continues, try restarting your iPhone. A simple restart often clears temporary glitches and helps restore a proper connection. And that's it with these quick steps. You can fix the WhatsApp connecting loop and get back to chatting smoothly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.